Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. Surprise, Mommy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sana naging happy ka ngayon sa surprise party nila for you. Wala kami dyan, pero we're happy na 60 ka na. We hope na mabigyan ka ni Lord Pilali ng good health. At saka, mas pa yung buhay mo. Ngayon na mami na ako, I just wish maging katulad mo rin ako na dahil sa kabuting mami sa amin. Tsaka, kabuting kapatid sa mga kapatid mo. We love you. I love you, Ma.
Love you, Mommy.
I miss you. We'll see you next year.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Hope everything's well with you. We have more birthdays to come. And again, like what Jackie said, we'll see you next year. So, anyways, ingat po. Ingat po kayo dyan. Ingat po kayo dyan.
Okay. Say bye, Mommy.
Say bye, Jack. Si Jack, say, bye, Mommy.
Love you.